Purchase plus improvements. How to create that perfect home. How does it work? Have you ever said, what a beautiful home, but too bad the kitchen's outdated and the carpets need replacing? This program allows you to add a $50,000 or more renovation for only $2,500. I know what you're thinking. How's this possible? Because we are one of the only mortgage companies to specialize in this program, we make the process very easy. Today you're going to learn what is Purchase Plus Improvements, how does it work, an example of an actual deal, and who to contact for the renovations. What is Purchase Plus Improvements? Imagine a house listed for sale and it might need a new kitchen, new windows, new furnace, or even new flooring. This program makes it all possible. Instead of looking for your dream home, create it. All of this can be done by putting down as little as 5% of the as-improved value. This program literally allows you to make that perfect home in that perfect neighborhood almost free. Instead of telling your realtor, I love the house, but buy that house in the condition that it's in, and usually for a lower price, and turn it in to your dream home. This program gets you the home the way you want it without the financial strain of a separate monthly loan payment or having to personally negotiate for the additional money to renovate. And the best part, you don't even have to lift a finger. Here are some of the improvements that are allowed under this program. Kitchen and bathroom remodeling, roofs, windows and doors, driveways, garage doors, fencing and decks, furnace and air conditioning, flooring, general contracting, and more. How does it work? Step 1. Before you submit your offer, we pre-approve you to establish your maximum financing limit. Step 2. You and your realtor find a suitable house. You submit your offer with your real estate agent, but make sure your offer is conditional on financing because we still need to get the cost of the renovations included. We also need a revisit clause in your offer. This will allow the contractors to enter the house generally within 24 hours notice to provide a written estimate for the work that needs to be done. Step 3. Your real estate agent sets up a time to get the contractor into the house. This also needs to be done as soon as possible because these estimates are needed to get the increased mortgage approval. Next, the contractor provides the written estimate for the work that you want to have done. Step 4. We submit your mortgage to incorporate the renovations. As long as the amount is reasonable for the work being done, and you're not increasing the price of the house beyond a marketable value, the mortgage should be approved. Step 5. Once the mortgage is approved, the contractor sets a date to complete renovations. You now have the home of your dreams, and we work very closely with you to ensure a smooth process. Step 6. When we advance your mortgage, on closing, the money intended for the renovations will be held back by your lawyer in trust until confirmation that the work is completed. Once confirmation is received, then the money is released by your lawyer and the contractor is then paid. Unfortunately, not all contractors play by the same rules. Some cut corners to offer low prices. They promise you a good deal. We eliminate the horror stories we've all heard about, the ones about the fly-by-nighters. No more hassle of searching for a reputable renovator and worrying about quality work. Here's a recap. We've eliminated the difficulty of explaining to the renovators that they will be paid after the work is done, because as you know, no renovator starts a job without a substantial deposit. Well, until now, our preferred renovators perform the work without requiring our clients to come up with a deposit. Here's an example of an actual deal. A client saw a house, the price was right, it was in a great neighborhood, and had a great sized lot. But it needed a new kitchen, new flooring throughout, and a main floor bathroom makeover. But instead of passing on it because it didn't fit, here's how they turned it into their dream home. The original price of this house was $500,000. They submitted the conditional offer at $490,000 and the deal was accepted. The renovation quote came in at $38,000. The clients only wanted to put down 5%. So the deal was set up as follows. The original purchase price $490,000, the renovation at $38,000, so the revised dollar amount was $528,000. The client put down 5%, $26,400, and the grand total of the mortgage was $515,394. But here's where it gets interesting. As you see on the left-hand side here, we did a comparison. If you just bought this home the way it was, the monthly payment would be $2,446. But get this, on the right-hand side, we added the renovation of $38,000. Look at the mortgage payment on the bottom. It only jumped to $2,503. So as you can see, the $38,000 in renovations ended up costing only $57 per month as an increase to the mortgage payment. Typically right now, the way rates are, every $1,000 in renovation costs approximately $4.86 per month. NotApennyDown.com guides you through every step of the process when buying your home. Our renovators fully understand the Purchase Plus Improvements program and understand their role in the transaction. Thank you for taking the time to view this program. If you would like any additional information about this program, please call me at 604-273-2002, or you can email me directly at mark@notapennydown.com. You may also fill in an online application at www.notapennydown.com.